I'm going to come straight over and look at CL here. Now, yesterday again, we were looking for we were here yesterday morning, and my suggestion to you was you bought the breakout, which was at 70.16 from memory, for a trip up to the 71.37 area. We came just shy, but we hit this 618. That's the larger 1-2 fib here, and then we've come off. So thus far this morning we've come back and hit the 50% retrace level. That could be all of the two, but it looks to me more like an A wave. That looks like 5 down to me for an A wave to here. We're going to get a B back and then the C down. And again, CL tends to favor the 764, which is at 67.88. So you can play the subwaves as we go through this morning, but really looking to get a swing long position in place here. And we caught this move as we broke out the other day from here. We've made about 250 points on this. If you just left some on after the trade on Monday or Tuesday, whenever it was, Tuesday I think was the initial entry, wasn't it? And therefore looking then after this too for a move up to the high 70s at a minimum. But the subwaves project up into the high 80s, and the 123.6 extension for the larger count on the daily and weekly charts on the sites all the way up at 91 in CL. Meanwhile, if we go back to the day trading chart, I wouldn't, if we come up here to the blue line, I don't think I'd be inclined to buy the breakout. If you haven't gone long here, if we get a pullback this morning, I would take a long trade, possibly just for a C of B up, and possibly more if that too is already in at the 50% retrace fib. Let's come over and look at NG next. And again, yesterday we were looking for this push up to just beyond the 618. The subwaves on the 15-minute chart and the fib projections said higher. I've taken those off this chart now because they're just in the way. I think we've got the 4 in, and we've got a 1 to the downside, and we're in the 2 back now. So looking to short NG intraday. If you're not already short in futures from higher, and we've still got the 50% position in DGAS. What I'm now looking for is the rest of this wave 1 to play out down to here, and then the 2 back to, if we get this hit down here at the 131.8 to 1618, which is 26.76 to 27.12, and we start to bounce, I'm going to bank DGAS and then wait for the wave 2 retrace. I'm running the risk of a shallow wave 2 and then struggling to get back in. But if we get a decent wave 2, it gives us a nice opportunity to bank some money and then put a full short position on in natural gas from there.